People are earning money on YouTube without showing their face. They use AI to create videos, titles, and descriptions. Let me show you exactly how this works. YouTube is not about cameras or editing skills. YouTube pays creators for attention. If people watch your video, YouTube rewards you. Today, AI does most of the work. You just need a system. First, people use ChatGPT to generate video ideas. You can ask for ideas in finance, motivation, facts, or education. ChatGPT gives you ideas that people already like watching. Next, ChatGPT writes the full script. It also creates the YouTube title and description. This saves hours of work. You don't need writing skills. You just copy and paste. Now the script is placed into Pictory. Pictory automatically turns text into a video. It adds visuals, captions, and transitions. This is perfect for beginners. The final step is uploading to YouTube. You paste the title and description from ChatGPT. Choose a thumbnail and publish. Most successful channels post consistently, not perfectly. People earn money through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. More views mean more opportunities. This is why YouTube is powerful. One video can work for you every day. AI removes most barriers. If you can copy and paste, you can start. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is now.